How to import Rhino3D files in Blender. There are two ways to do it. The first way is to use an add-on. You can open up your browser and then navigate to this GitHub repository, and the link is going to be in the description. You will need to have Python installed for this, and then go to the Releases tab and click on the 0.16 version. Scroll down and downloading the version according to your Blender version you're using. I have Blender 4.0, so I'm going to download this 0.16 Pi 310 for Windows, as this one seems to work for Blender 4.0, but this one Pi 311 didn't work for me, so I'm gonna download this one. If you have a higher Blender version, you can use the underscore extension version. Now, once the zip is downloaded, you can bring it to your desktop and then open up Blender. But before actually adding the add-on, you will need to install the Rhino3D module. Right-click on the Start button and then click on Windows PowerShell or CMD or Terminal. It's pretty much the same. And then you will need to run the following command, which is pip install Rhino3DM equals 0.16.0. And you will only be able to run this command if you have Python installed in your computer. Then you just press enter and wait for it to install it. You can also run pip install Rhino3DM if the first command did not work properly for you. And once it's already installed, you can close out of this and then close Blender. Now right click on Blender and run it as administrator. And then click on Edit tab and Preferences and go to Add-ons and then click on the Install button. Now navigate to your desktop and select the Import 3DM zip file that we downloaded from GitHub and click on Install Add-on. And once it's installed, you can look up Rhino3D from here and enable the add-on by checking the box next to it. Now once you check the box, you can go to File, Import, and you should find a new option here which says Rhinoceros 3D.3dm file extension. Click on it and select your Rhino3D file, and then click on Import to import it to Blender. And the second way is to export your 3D model or object from Rhino3D as .obj format, and go to File, Import, and then from here select OBJ format, wavefront OBJ, and then just navigate to your exported file and import it as an OBJ to Blender. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.